Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be working on a banner.
Arts Workfly.
When you're creating a banner, one of the first thing that you should do, well, one of the first thing that I do is to measure around the cloth. If you're using a cloth, if you're working with a paper, you do the same thing. Be sure of the information that you're going to write before you even start. Measure around it, see if the paper is equal or if it's not. If it's not equal, then you're going to have problems when it comes to writing the letters correctly on the paper or on the surface that you're using. So you have to think about your edges around the canvas or the cloth. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do now is to outline, not outline, but put a line where you want the length of the words to be. So I've completed measuring around to get that equal framing. Then I'm measuring the length of the word. And when you're writing, you have to also remember the spacing between each letter. So when you're making that banner, you have to think about the space in between the words. So the next thing I have to do is to figure out where I want the word to be. Do I want it in the center? Do I want it here? Do I want it over there? And how wide is the word going to be? When you're using the meter stick, ensure that you're looking directly in front and not from below or at the sides, or the measurement will be incorrect. Also, if you're using a cloth, you must also think about where you're going to hang it. If you start your word at the end of the cloth, it's going to cause a problem. You might bore a hole or pierce a hole inside the word. So you want to leave that space there so it can hang up or it can fold over, things like those. The length and the width has to tie in with each other so that if somebody is looking from a distance, they will be able to read the word. So it can't be stretched too much or too distorted or too fancy. So it has to be readable, it has to be very just pulling. But this is just a simple one, just one general banner. This line here is basically the separation between each sets of words. So one word is going to be here, and the other two is going to be down here. Which is here. So the next set of words is going to start here, and the first one is going to end there. Alright. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.